Hi friends, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel Gardening is My Love. In this episode, let me explain you the process of wine making in less than 5 days. The process is simple and interesting. Keep watching the episode till the end. Now, today I have selected watery rose apple, bell fruit or jamun in Hindi for the process of wine making. So now let me explain the process in detail. So first what you are going to do is cut the rose apple into fine pieces. So the first step is cut it into small pieces. And after that put it in the grinder or mixture and make it into a fine paste. This will make the process of wine making quicker and faster. Now, next what we are going to do is, after making the pulp of rose apple or the paste, we are going to take a saucepan and boil the water and the ingredients we are going to add. Now first let me add the dalchini or cinnamon sticks. And after adding the cinnamon sticks, followed by I am going to add cardamom. Then I am going to add few cloves and boil them for some time. And during this process, in the background, I am going to activate the yeast. So how we are going to activate the yeast? Take pre-cooled warm water in a bowl, add sugar 1 to 2 tablespoons and add the yeast and stir it nicely and keep the activated yeast aside. Next, once you add the pulp into the boiling water and let it boil for 8 to 10 minutes at a boiling point. Now in the meantime, we can also take whole wheat. You can take handful of whole wheat and put them in a cloth or a pouch and tie it and keep it aside. Now, once you are done with this process, we'll come to the next step. Now yeast we have activated and kept it ready. And also the whole wheat we have put it in the pouch and kept it ready. Now next what we are going to do is, we are going to select a ceramic pot. Bharani we call it as. Now in my video I have got a Bharani which is around 120 years old, which was in the storeroom. Happened to clean it, and the Bharani is manufactured by Potterfield. It's made in England. Maybe 120 years old. So I have chosen that Bharani, which is very heavy in weight. Now I am going to transfer all the ingredients into the Bharani. So first, the fruit pulp which is already boiled, I transfer into the Bharani, maybe around 2.5 kilos. And once I transfer the fruit content, then I am going to add 1 kg of sugar. You can add even more. More the sugar, the taste will be sweeter. Now next, after adding the sugar, I am going to add the activated yeast. So activated yeast you already can see bulging. So that we are going to add into the Bharani or the clay pot. So once we do this process, once we add sugar, please take a wooden spoon and try to mix it thoroughly. So once it is mixed, the next process is very simple. We have to pack the contents so that nothing enters into the Bharani. So and we have to also put the whole wheat pouch inside. So I added the whole wheat. So three things are very important: sugar, the activated yeast, and the pouch containing the wheat. So next I am going to use a polythene bag cover so that nothing enters, no moisture enters from outside. Then I close with the lid, yeah, and over the lid I am going to keep a cloth, and over the cloth I will take a string and tie it very tight. Yeah, so thereby I'm going to finish the process, and since this will take only 5 days maximum, every morning we need to stir it nicely so that the process becomes quicker and quicker. And rose apple is very good for diabetes, it's very good for your digestive system, so keep consuming. So thank you for watching my episode. I'll come with many more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.